Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the float assembly in your dishwasher. The reason why you might have to do this is because it's warped, broken, or jammed, and your dishwasher isn't getting any water into it, or your dishwasher is overflowing. For this repair, we'll be using a Phillips head screwdriver, as well as a ratchet with a 5/16 inch socket. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the dishwasher we're going to be using for our demonstration. It's a Maytag. Keep in mind, ours might be a little bit different than what you have at home, but the same technique should still apply. So now I'm going to take out the bottom rack here, set that off to the side, and then we can close up the door and go to the bottom of the dishwasher. So the next thing we have to do is remove our float actuator lever. So we're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver here and unscrew the screw holding it in. And once you've got it unscrewed, take it out. So the next thing we have to do is remove the float nut. So what I'm going to do here is I've got a 5/16 inch socket on my ratchet, and I'm going to unscrew the float nut here as I hold the float from the other side so it doesn't spin around. And now we can remove the float here, and we don't even have to remove the washer basket. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement float. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So we can put the float back down through the tube right there and slide it all the way down. And we're going to just start the float nut on here by hand. Just give it a quick turn or two. And then we'll get a ratchet again, and we'll turn it on the rest of the way. There we go. And we can reattach our actuator. And we can put our actuator back in here now and screw it into place. There we go. And then once you've done that, you can set it back up, plug everything in, and your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.